The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
It is the 5th and last day of Severe Weather Awareness Week here across the Commonwealth, and today we want to talk to you about safety. You do not, if a tornado is headed your way, want to stay in your vehicle. You do not want to stay under a bridge. You want to get to safety as fast as you possibly can. You want to get into the nearest house or nearest building and get to the lowest level that you possibly can, a basement, away from windows. Now, the question often happens at schools, 99% of the time when I go visit elementary or middle schools, the question comes up, Mr. Hanowich, what do we do if we don't have a basement? You get into a closet, into the interior section of your home away from windows. Now let's talk about lightning safety. When thunder roars, go indoors. You want to avoid open fields, hills, and ridge tops. Stay away from tall objects and metal, and you want to keep away from water. All right, let's talk about what we're seeing outside right here, right now. The rain from earlier is gone. We're starting to see the clouds break, but we do have a little impulse of energy towards West Virginia that will bring some west slope snow showers into the Mountaineer State tonight, even into the first part of the day tomorrow. So on Saturday, we're going to be windy at times. Winds will actually weaken for us later in the day on Saturday, and we could have some west slope snow showers on Saturday too, otherwise increasing sunshine here in the Commonwealth. Then we turn our attention to Sunday, and Sunday is going to absolutely be the more active of the two weather days. Sunday, we're going to have that mix changing over to rain. Mountains will stay the coldest longest, and therefore we'll have the highest chance to see a little bit of snow and, of course, a little bit of freezing rain and sleet as well. For south side, it's mainly just rain, but you head towards the highlands. That's where we could see the most amount of snow, inch or two possible, up towards the highlands as we head into Sunday. And the NRV, that is where we could see potentially the most amount of icing, the most amount of freezing rain. Now, as far as the snow totals for Sunday, again, I almost want to say 460 is kind of the dividing line between north seeing some snow and to the south not seeing much. Up to 2 inches of snow possible for these areas shaded in light blue. That is for parts of the southern Shenandoah and also the highlands. Can't rule out a coating in places like the New River Valley and also towards Lynchburg, even areas, say, towards the Roanoke Valley. Roanoke could be an interesting place because it looks like the northern parts of Roanoke County could see maybe a little more snow than the southern parts of the county. We'll have to see how this all pans out here. We've got a couple more days to kind of make our final call on the forecast. I will tell you that ice will be an issue for us as well on Sunday. I would say most of us will see anywhere from no ice at all to at the very most a 1/10 of an inch of ice. However, there will be a bullseye of the most ice right along the southern Blue Ridge where a 1/10 of an inch plus of ice is possible in parts of Floyd, Franklin, Patrick, and Carroll counties. Temperatures right now 38 in Hot Springs, 47 Wytheville, 54 Roanoke, also into Danville. For tonight, we are going to be windy. We're going to turn partly cloudy, overnight lows upper 20s and 30s, 28 to 36. For the day tomorrow, we're turning mainly sunny. Going to have that morning wind chill. Highs tomorrow 40s and 50s. Your extended forecast only in the upper 30s Sunday. Then we bounce back up in the lower 50s Monday, back into the lower 40s on Tuesday. Then we're as warm as the upper 50s 1 week from today. Monday through Thursday look to be pretty quiet with another chance for rain on Friday.